Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy S26 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I will start with the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this option. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and localize the option. Eye comfort shield. I just missed that. And if you'd like to turn it on without the customization, you have to simply tap on the switcher right here. And now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. If you'd like to customize it, simply tap on it. And here we've got two different modes, so adaptive and custom one. So adaptive is simply automatic, so you do not really, you cannot actually change anything here because your device will automatically adapt to the conditions around you, which is a nice option. But of course, if you are the personalization person, let's say, then simply tap on custom, and here you can change the color temperature and set the schedule. So just by using the switcher, you can make it a little bit cooler or warmer. So now it is really orange. We can also set schedule. So right now we've got the option always on, which means that we need to have, we need to manipulate manually with this option. So we have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. As you can see, you need to turn it on. And you can set the custom option. So you can choose the start and the end time, and your device will of course apply the mode accordingly. So this is how to customize it, and here you can also turn on the option enhanced comfort, which will adjust color tones and contrast for more comfortable viewing at night. Let me actually change the intensity and turn it on. I'm not sure, but probably it is just changing kind of the brightness or the brightness or contrast between the text and the background. Alright, so this is the whole customization option, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll this section fully and localize eye comfort shield. Just tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.